My business partner and I just bought this condo, just 4.6 miles away from the beach in Delray Beach, Florida. Now stick with me as I take you through this magical home renovation. Yes, I said magical. Front door before, after. This is the kitchen before, not much to look at. This is the kitchen after. Now let's go back to the original floor plan. Look at these floors. I wish you could see how ugly they are. Also take note that there is no doorway right here, but let's go and look at these brown carpet. Also, we're gonna come back to that closet, but let's first look at this bathroom and this vintage sink and this vintage bathtub. Before, after, a niche, dual showers, modern drain, of course a brand new toilet, beautiful oak cabinets, quartz countertops, and an LED mirror. But we're not done. Let's go back to the original floor plan. I already pointed out this brown carpet, but look at that vintage fan. Now this over here was the walk-in closet where you'll find the hot water heater and AC, but this is before, this is after. We pulled this out, did all new drywall behind here, all new plumbing, obviously cleaned the AC, put new filters in, and turned this into a utility closet, which there was no washer and dryer in here before. And then this is the doorway with a nice soft close. Look at this pocket door. And then back in here, we created these closets and you got a nice, beautiful ceiling fan in here now instead of that horrible one. But we're not done yet. Let's come back in to the original floor plan. Now let's make our way down into the other bedroom. Kind of small. We weren't able to get rid of this corner, but look at how closed off this space was. Look at this. I mean, the vanity, decent, floor. Look at how tight this was. We're gonna put a pocket door right here. We got rid of all of this, opened up the space, the ceiling, got rid of this door. Look at how small this was. And look at this. Ew, this is before. After. Look at this. Look at how high the ceilings are. I can't even touch the ceiling fan. They're so high. Of course, a new toilet, but look at how much the space is open. Look at this. There was a linen closet here, and then a wall here, which we got rid of all of that. A doorway here that made it impossible to get in here. You had to have a small toilet here. You couldn't have a regular sized toilet. And then, like I said, we put the pocket door in right here. Okay, but this is the bedroom, but we're not done yet. Here we go, original floor plan. Now let's come out here and look at your before home renovation windows. And these are your beautiful new impact windows. White, ever so slight tint to them. Beautiful slate tile back here. We kept the accordion shutters to be able to protect any outside furniture that you might have out here. Here's your neighbors downstairs and a beautiful sunny Florida afternoon. But before we wrap up this before and after video on this complete renovation project, I want to highlight just a couple more things inside. Throughout the whole entire property, you're not going to find any popcorn ceilings. These are all flat ceilings. We added LED lights here in the living room and throughout the property. Also, these countertops, as I hinted to before, waterfall feature. All new cabinets. This even has like the spice rack in it. Brand new GE appliances. White subway tile backsplash. Decor outlets. These are screwless outlets throughout the whole entire property. We changed all of them throughout. That's a big thing to point out, that all of them have been changed. New electrical panel. The sink is really awesome as it has these attachments to it that fit right inside the sink. Of course, garbage disposal. Really like the way how this kitchen came out, just so open. So are you curious what this home renovation came out to? Then type spend in the comments section and I will reach out to you with all of that info. Maybe you're a buyer that's frustrated with the inventory levels or the ugly outdated work that need a lot of home renovation work done. Or maybe you're a seller thinking about selling, but you don't know where to start. Simply reach out to me. I'm gonna leave my phone number for you right here. Go ahead, take a minute, write it down, or do a screenshot. Did you do it yet? Write it down, screenshot it. All right, I'm gonna leave it right here, but I'm gonna keep walking. I'll talk to you later.